So what goes on when you are out of alignment? What happens to your body?
So when I'm out of alignment, my mind goes crazy, numb. I repeat. So when I'm out of alignment, my mind goes numb. I lose my arch, my hips. I feel pain in the middle of my back, and I really cannot think anymore. And I sleep very early because my body cannot last the whole day actually. And it's instantaneous after the alignment, the improvement.
All right, let's watch it. This is a C2 adjustment.
Forget me.
All right, Maria, press start. We're playing.
Okay.
Okay, there was one. Okay, so now we got to do, and press pause, Maria. Now we got to do one more. We got to do his Atlas. You like the TP contact, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. That's the only one that works.
All right, so I will tell you when to. All right, if you can just put it here. Actually, I'm going to be going towards you right there. All right, Maria, press play. Okay, that was it. All right. Now, do you feel that right away?
Yeah.
What do you feel?
It's like, oh, my rib cage expands, and my mind, it's like you open the flood.
Open the gates?
Open the gates.
There we go. Yeah, and like it's almost instantaneous for you, right?
You'll see now how I walk.
All right. Breathing better.
All right, come on now.
All right, Toby.
Yeah, much better now.
Wow. Good watch. Power's back on. All right, thank you guys.